Let's do this. Everybody in?
The front screen's pretty nice for
It's
framing.
pretty cool, right?
Yeah. So Andrew, we've got the new GoPro Hero 7 here, and we've got the new much anticipated but controversial DJI.
Action cam.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we use the GoPro Hero 7 here in-house, the Black Edition 4K. So I was really excited to get my hands on the Action cam and just see how it holds up.
Obviously, this is a camera that's going to try to compete specifically with the GoPro. I can't help but feel like there's a lot of derivativeness in the design.
You're definitely right, you know, if you compare these two side by side. I think a little bit of that is that there's so many accessories for the GoPro that you kind of need an infrastructure there. Like you can use your grip, you can use all of like the same, it uses the same
mounts.
like 3 slotted mount. So that helmet cam that you have, you can just kind of change it over.
Well, okay, so let's talk about the performance. The one good thing about the GoPro, I think, is its software and its lens quality. So how does the DJI stack up on that?
Comparing the footage, I actually like GoPro's image better.
Oh, really?
Which
Okay.
is probably a little controversial, especially indoors. We saw a fair amount of noise when walking around the office with this. But outside, it's pretty comparable, you know, especially at 4K. I mean, beautiful footage, and we're really like talking about semantics. Like if you're mostly consuming this on the phone, you're not gonna see a difference. If you're doing some pixel peeping, I think the GoPro wins there.
With the GoPro, everyone fell in love with this hyper smooth technology that they have, the ability to stabilize almost anything. And then DJI has theirs, which theirs is called Rocksteady.
Yeah,
Okay.
DJI's Rocksteady. People love the hyper smooth. It's really cool, especially if you, like, it's an action cam, right? So if you're going mountain biking or skiing, it really stabilizes the footage. Rocksteady, I think, beats it. I think it's really, like, actually running with it, like no trying to like duck walk, smooth walk. It is really steady. And I think that's
Is it Rocksteady?
It is Rocksteady. If that's what your priority is, and it's just getting really beautiful, stable footage, I think the DJI has it.
All right, so between the two, which one am I going to want to get, or is it going to depend?
So it really depends on what your main focus is. If you really care about image quality, I think out of camera footage looks better on the GoPro.
Got it.
I think if you really care about getting that gimbal quality, super steady footage, I think the DJI Action Cam is what you want.
All right. Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Eric.